Pathway to Medicine is a structure that exists within some of our BSc programs. It's for students who want a guaranteed interview for our graduate entry medicine program, but are keeping their options open, possibly as a fifth choice in their UCAS form when they're applying for undergraduate medicine, or they know that they want to do a first degree before they apply to graduate entry medicine.
Applied medical sciences is a good foundation to study medicine because it's directly the science that underpins medicine. So you learn about molecules, cells, tissues, and structures that relate to systems in the human body. And so we directly translate that to how it relates to human health.